What if microbes could save the world? Every living organism on this planet rely on their associated microbes. But these good microbes that help corals remain alive, they can also be replaced by bad microbes that make them sick. About 30% of all marine life rely on coral reefs, so we need to keep them alive. And one way to keep them alive is to give them medicine when they are sick. You know these irrigation systems that we have in our backyards? We developed one for corals. Put the probiotics there. It has hoses that go all over the reef, and this can be deploying probiotics for a month when corals will be facing a heat wave to keep corals alive and then make the ocean healthier and ultimately the entire planet. One of the things that I like at KAUST is about how big we can go with this. So we have the largest coral reef restoration in the world being developed and deployed by KAUST here in the Red Sea. We are scaling it up. We are working with companies to develop protocols to make the probiotics cheaper and cheaper, so it's going to be very affordable. And we need to test it in different places and even larger scale. And I have many collaborators at KAUST and externally that have been helping us. I have no words to describe the feeling of seeing the medicine that you are testing in the lab being applied in the real world and actually protecting these organisms that we so very much want to save. I'm Raquel Peixoto, and I'm on a mission to protect coral reefs and the planet.